Hello guys, I want to show you how you can create your image for your ads. Either you want to create image for Google ads or for Facebook ads. And so we are here on Canva, and so this is what I use majorly for all my ads. I mean, if I want to create image for any of my ads, I just come here. And okay, let's start with Facebook, for example. So just come straight to search and search for Facebook. Okay, so we have two types actually. So we have the square type and we have the landscape type. But okay, you can see the Facebook ad. They just click it. That's 120 by, I'm sorry, 1200 by 628 pixel. So just it appears in landscape form. So you can see how it is now. So you can just click any of these images or click here to start afresh. Okay, but perhaps I want to start with perhaps I just want to edit the images that are there. I just pick any of them and then put my own words there. So I just customize it to my taste. Okay, I don't know what you want to achieve with your ads, but so maybe you want your image to be here. You just put your image here. Same with the text, just edit the text as well. And this logo you can change it, based on what you want to do. Okay, you can just change the words there, something like that. And this is a logo. You can just remove this and put your own logo. How you do that is just by coming here, upload from your computer, upload files. So it takes you to select one of the images from your files, and you can do that. Okay. So once you click any of the images, just um, let's try something. Uh, so you just like an example. So when you upload it to be here. Okay, so this is like a general image. I'm just using this for example. Okay, so I just click on this, then it comes there. So let's say I want to use this as my logo. Obviously it's not a logo, but I'm just saying. So that means I have to delete this and adjust this to size, then drag it to this position. So let me delete this one. So this is it. And for the image, so let's say I want to input my image, and I will delete this, then ping my own image to the side, so then for this I can just go ahead and edit the dates, the name and all, so. And for the color, just click on the design, come here to change the color and pick any of the ones that you like. Okay, I can just come to have more options. And so once you are through, just come to share, then to download. So automatically it's set to PNG, and it comes out larger than if you want to use JPG. So sometimes I usually change it to JPG format. So I just click on this and pick this, then I click on download. So straight on my computer. Alright, so it's there. So if I can just check my download on the computer, it's there already. Okay, so that's for the landscape. Then if I want to try the other option that I used to use for my ads, I use the normal Facebook post size type. So just click on, type Facebook post. So you can see it here. Click on this. Then you start editing any of the option that you want to use. So mind you, if you see any of these one that requires you to pay, it means that some of the features here needs to be paid for. Okay, so you can just use some of the features for free. Then some are even like all this with crown icon requires that you upgrade your account to the pro version before you can use this template. But let's just use the free ones and we are fine. Okay, so this is free. It doesn't require any payment, so let's just click on this and start making our edits. So customize this template. Okay, so for the images, you can just, if you're not what you are advertising is not about health, you can just maybe just like the design, so you can come here to upload, have your own image that you want to use, then you drag it to this point. Okay, let's say you want to use this for example, so just drag it over this, then it fits in. Okay, and for the second one, drag it over it, and that's it. So you can start changing the logo as well, make edits to the text, the designs, the color design. Just click on it to change the color and you are good to go. So just enter the color you like anyways. So then for the text, just make sure that you are not using the one that was there before, so people seeing your ad won't be confused. So just change this, the website, the information, and if you want to change the templates, come to design here without having to go back and pick any of them that if like you like or you prefer them. So let's work around it. Change the image by picking image from the upload. After you must have uploaded from your device, then come here, drag it over this point and it fits in. Okay, then the logo, you can change it, and once are true, just like the first one, come here, share, download, and that's it. Okay, so I also want to I want to show you how you can so I want to show you how you can create image for Google Ads. For Google Ads, it's quite different from Facebook. Now when I'm talking about Google Ads, I'm talking about the display ads. Okay, so for that, display ads has different options of the image sizes. Okay, but the ones that I've tried are just two. And if you want to run display ads, you will have seen this data. You must have at least the landscape and the square. Now you need to get the size very well, or else some of the images or the informations on the images will cut off. Okay, so and this is the size that I will recommend for you. So for the landscape option, so just pick 1024 by 512 pixel. Okay, then so we are using the customize option, don't forget that. So this means that we are starting our design from like afresh, so we are not using any templates. All right, so you must note that. So once we are here and So let's just start to input our text. Depends on what you want to use. You know, but if you don't know how to start, maybe you're not too good or so good with design, you can just work on with the template. But this template has been so um, designed such that it will fit into that same template that we created. That 1024 by 512 pixel. So let's just pick any of these and start to customize. That's if you are not so good with starting your design from afresh. So I just pick this and start to make a edit. Change the images. Perhaps you have it on your laptop, so upload from here. Okay, and if you want to use the one already on your Canva media, so just pick any of them and drag over the existing image to fit it in. So for the info, the color, so you can change the color to what you want to use. Okay, and any other information. So then come to share. So you can either share as PNG, which is the default option, or change to JPG if you want to have if you don't want to have maybe a heavy file. So just just download for the landscape. That's it. Then for the square option, so let's go back to customize. Don't forget I've got once you're on the home page, you see the customize option there. So just click on customize. So for the for the square size, so we're using the size. So for the square option, I normally use 788 by 788. So I've tried different dimensions, different sizes, but this is the one that fits in. Because if you just use any other option, sometimes Google might just reject it. So just stick to this and you'll be fine. So create new design. So you can just create create afresh. Start designing. If you know how to mix the color, the text, and if you know the font size to use, or else you can just use the available templates. Alright, so we are here. You can see that it's empty. That's because we created this afresh. So, but if you want to use the available templates, or maybe let's say you want to start afresh and you don't want to use the templates, you can just start designing. We just want to test your design skill. But if you don't want to do all of those, you can just use the available template. So you can just play around it. But okay, let's say you don't have time for all of that. You can just come to design and check the available templates that you can use. So you can just pick any of them and make your edits. Okay, replace. It's fine. Alright, so just start making your edits. Depending on what you want to do. And sometimes what I used to do sometimes is, okay, let's say I've created a design somewhere. Okay, let me look for the previous one. Okay, so let's say I've created a design somewhere and I want to replicate it on another page, or sorry, on another design. So instead of having to start afresh, I'll just copy and paste. Okay. Okay, so okay, let's say I have a design already and I want to use this, okay, for the new customized design. So I just copy everything. Control. So Control copies everything, then copy. So instead of having to start inputting those texts afresh, so I just come to the new design. Of course, the size will be different, but I can adjust them to size. So let me delete this. Okay, let's use a new page. So let me delete this option. So let me just Control V to paste. So you can see that the size is different, but I can enlarge it, and so I will need to start making the edits, by trying to adjust the text, the sizes, the positioning, and everything. But I think this is far better than having to start afresh, since I already have the design somewhere. So you can just enlarge it, make them fit into positions and all. So you can just do that for all of your design that want to replicate on another size. Alright, so that's it, and so once are through, you know where to download from. Come here, click on download, and you are good to go. So basically, that's how to create design for your social media adverts on Facebook and on Google. Okay, so that's it, and thanks for watching. Okay, so once you are through, just don't forget to adjust all of them to sizes, all of the images, the text, and everything. So once you are through, just come straight to share, like we've been doing, to download, and proceed to choose your output, PNG or JPG. Then you proceed to download. Okay, so that's it, and thank you for watching.